Hello everyone. So today we're going to be talking about one of the most common problems in Windows 10, and that is the Wi-Fi connection. So if you're watching this video, you probably have the same problem. So in Windows 10, most of the users have Windows connection problems. So in this video, I'm going to show you two easy steps how you can fix the Wi-Fi connection, and that is easy to make. So what you're gonna do is first of all right click the Wi-Fi right here, click on open network and internet settings, wait for it, and here you're gonna go to change adapter options and you click on your Wi-Fi network card, right click it, click properties, and here you're gonna go to configure, you go to advanced, and here you search for bandwidth. Now this label bandwidth in some other network cards might be labeled differently, like bandwidth network or whatever it is called. You just search for it. You're gonna see here in the value tab that it has two options, 20 and 40 megahertz and 20 megahertz only. So this problem occurs when your network configuration has some incompatibility with your Windows configuration. So what you're gonna do is select the 20 megahertz only. As you can see, I have currently it selected, so this fixes most of the Wi-Fi connection problems because of some incompatibility with your router settings. The second easy way is you right click your Wi-Fi, click properties, scroll down where you see internet protocol version 6, TCP IP version 6, and you uncheck it. Simple as that. You uncheck it and click OK. I already have it done, so I'm not gonna do it. So what this does, it just uses the IPv4. It doesn't use the IPv6 because the IPv6 is some generation newer and it isn't properly configured yet in some routers settings. So yeah, that is the problem why the Wi-Fi isn't working properly. So this is a quick video, guys. I just wanted to show you how you can fix these problems in Windows 10. So yeah, if you have any further questions or problems, let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.